A very good afternoon, everyone. I would like to welcome all our esteemed dignitaries for taking their time out just to be a part of this very special program today. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us on this very prestigious event. I would like to welcome all our students from the various reputed schools of the city who are accompanied today by their respective teachers and their principals. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today on the occasion of the World Environment Day. Today, the Live Green Lucknow initiative culminates with a Green Parliament. Today, we will get to see 6 of the best models that will be presented to us by some of the brightest young minds of the city. Each of these models depicting how our city can live in harmony with its environment. Ladies and gentlemen, we also like to mention that each of these ideas today have been shortlisted from scores and scores of entries. The entries that were given to us by various reputed schools of the city. And these ideas will be showcased by none other than the students themselves in front of our very esteemed chief guest for today's program. Please welcome our esteemed chief guest for today's program, Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Akhilesh Yadav ji. Can we have a big hand of applause for him? Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to witness some very special presentation of ideas for a better and a brighter future of the city by the very generation that will be ushering in the bright future of the city. And it's a great privilege and a great honor for us that today we are joined by some of the most reputed and most honorable people who have been gracious enough to take their time out just to be a part of this very simple program. May I please request all of you to please help me welcome our dignitaries for today's program. First up, can we have a big hand of applause once again for our esteemed chief guest for today's program, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Akhilesh Yadav. Please welcome Shri Fareed Mahfouz Kidwai, Minister for Forests, Sports and Youth Welfare. It is also our great privilege that today we are joined by Shri Rajendra Chaudhary, Minister for Political Pensions. And yes indeed, a louder round of applause for Shri Alok Ranjan, Chief Secretary, Uttar Pradesh. And ladies and gentlemen, a loud round of applause for Shri Rahul Kansal, Executive President, The Times of India. So today's program would not have been possible without the dedicated effort and the support of all our sponsors. So we'd also like to thank our sponsors for today's program. We'd like to thank Excite Industries Limited. We have Mr. S.K. Vesh, Regional Sales Manager, Industrial North. We'd like to thank him for being actively involved in today's program. We'd also like to thank Mr. Anand Makwana, Zonal Deputy General Manager, Gas Authority of India Limited. Thank you so much. We would also like to thank Mr. Ishpreet Singh, Managing Director of Jyoti Enviro. All our sponsors who have made today's program possible and so much more wonderful with their presence. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for me to invite cordially on the stage to give an apt start to today's program. Let me please welcome Resident Editor, Times of India, Shri Raja Bose, to please join us on the stage. I will request him a big hand of applause for Shri Raja Bose. We will request him to kindly